Are you struggling with pent-up emotions like frustration, anger, tension, emotional stress? Do you want to express yourself completely? Do you want to overcome nervousness and the fear and improve your confidence? Do you want a fresh and a youthful appearance? Then this video is for you. In this video, I will explain you each and every detail about Simhagarjanasana. How to do Simhagarjanasana correctly. Its modification, its amazing benefits, precautions and contraindications for Simhagarjanasana. Get ready to become the lion of your jungle. Watch the video till end. Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. I am Sukhwinder Singh and you are watching Yoga Chaitanya, a channel where you will find content for improving your physical, mental, emotional and spiritual well-being. So if you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of the health related tips and updates. What is Simhagarjanasana? The Sanskrit word Simhagarjana is a combination of three words: Simha, Garjana and Asana. Simha means lion, Garjana means roar, and Asana means the pose or the posture. The English name for this asana is the lion's roar or the roaring lion pose. When you practice Simhagarjanasana, your expression resembles lion's expression. That's why this asana is also known as Simha Mudra. How to do Simhagarjanasana or how to practice Simhagarjanasana? To practice Simhagarjanasana, you have to come in a position of Vajrasana, that is adamantine pose or thunderbolt pose. For coming in Vajrasana from a seated straight leg position, bend the right leg like this and shift the weight onto the right side and then bend the left leg. Bend the left leg backward and come and sit on the top of the knees. Both the feet together. This is Vajrasana. I've already explained the details about Vajrasana in this video. You can watch it. Now from this position, you have to move your knees apart, approximately 50 centimeters, like this. But the feet will be still in contact over here. Now from here, what we'll do, we'll lean forward. I'm explaining you the process. From this position, we will lean forward and place the palm of the hands on the mat, fingers towards the body. But before doing that, we'll do a little bit of warm up of the wrist, like this. You can do the wrist warm up. Okay. So now place the palms of the hands in between the knees like this, arms straight. Now lean forward, creating an arch in the back like this. Neck slightly up, face relax. Now from here, in this position, gaze to your nose in Shambhavi Mudra. Now for doing the roaring lion pose, the roar, the Garjana, from this position, you have to inhale through nose. While exhaling, maintaining the gaze at the nose in Shambhavi Mudra, take your tongue out as much as you can in a comfortable way. And while exhaling, create a sound of ah using your throat, like this. Ah. Inhale, relax. Take another deep long breath in. Exhale. Now open the eyes. Round 2. Ah. Inhale, relax. Another deep long breath in. Exhale, relax. Open your eyes. Round 3. Gazing at the nose. Inhale through nose. Take your tongue out. Ah. This was the roaring lion. I know it looks little funny, but it is very relaxing. It takes out all the stale air from the lower lobes of the lungs and it helps to release the pent-up emotions. You can release all your frustration, anger while doing this posture. For example, if you are angry, you can put your anger in this roar. So it becomes like this. Ah. or you can mix some other emotions into it. Modification for Simhagarjanasana. In case if you cannot practice Simhagarjanasana due to painful ankles or the Vajrasana is very difficult for you, we have a variation of Simhagarjanasana for you. For doing the variation of Simhagarjanasana, place a folded blanket like this on the mat. Now place your sitting bones on the top of this blanket over here. Come and sit on the top of it with legs straight. Bend the left leg. Place the left foot under the right thigh. Now bend the right leg. Place the right foot under the left thigh. Allow the knees to fall into Sukhasana. Spine straight, both the hands on the knees. Shoulder rolled back. Now from this position, lean forward as we did in Simhagarjanasana. Place the palms of the hands on the floor like this, fingers towards the body. Create arch in the back. Lift your head slightly up, gazing at the nose. Inhale through nose. While taking your tongue out, create a ah sound through the throat. Ah. Round 2. Open the eyes. Inhale through nose. Gazing at the nose. Ah. This was variation of Simhagarjanasana. I know it looks funny, but it is very relaxing. Try it. If you want to learn each and every detail about Sukhasana, then watch this video. The link is available in the I button and the description tab. Duration and timing for Simhagarjanasana. Best time to do Simhagarjanasana or the roaring land pose is early in the morning. But if you cannot do it in the morning, then you can do it in the evening also. You can practice 5 to 10 rounds of Simhagarjanasana. But make sure you take 3 to 4 deep breaths in between each round of Simhagarjanasana. What are the benefits of Simhagarjanasana? Benefits of Simhagarjanasana. The practice of Simhagarjanasana stretches face, throat and tongue muscles. It helps to improve the flexibility of these muscles, which in turn helps to relieve the tension and improve the range of motion of jaw and neck. It prevents sagging of throat and helps to cure problems like teeth grinding and clenched jaw. It is an excellent asana for throat, nose, ears, eyes and mouth, especially if it is done in the early morning facing the healing rays of the sun. Regular practice of this asana strengthens the respiratory system. The deep breathing and exhalation in this asana strengthens the lungs, diaphragm and other respiratory muscles, which improves the overall respiratory function. It reduces the tension from the chest and the diaphragm. It is beneficial for people struggling with respiratory tract infection and diseases. The practice of Simhagarjanasana stretches the face and throat muscles, which improves the blood circulation in these areas. It increases the glow on the face of the practitioner. It nourishes the skin and reduces puffiness. This asana works as an anti-aging exercise. It helps to reduce wrinkles. The lion's roar in this posture helps to release the pent-up emotions, tension, fear, frustration and emotional tension, and improves self-expression and confidence. It works as a cathartic exercise. Catharsis is the technique in which we release the suppressed emotions. The practice of Simhagarjanasana calms the mind and reduces stress and anxiety. If you are a public speaker, singer, stage presenter or a leader, or you deal in public relations, then you must practice Simhagarjanasana. It develops strong, magnetic, soothing and beautiful voice. Simhagarjanasana is very beneficial for people who stutter. If you are always nervous in public appearances or if you are introverted, then you must practice Simhagarjanasana. A lot of people are complaining about obesity and weight gain after the pandemic due to change in lifestyle and schedules. Yogachaitanya Slimming and Weight Loss Herbal Tea is based on a unique formula of 16 herbs that are used to control weight and boost metabolism. This tea helps to lose weight, boost metabolism, detoxification, slow aging, improve digestion, and elevate mood. Our wellness teas are available at 50% discount and free shipping in India. You can use coupon code YCU25 to get an additional discount of 5%. This discount offer is valid for limited time, so order it now. Link to the slimming and weight loss herbal tea and coupon code is available in the description tab. Precautions and contraindications for Simhagarjanasana. Who should not practice Simhagarjanasana? People with uncontrolled high blood pressure should be cautious with Simhagarjanasana. This posture can increase blood flow to the head. If you have back pain, avoid deep forward bending in this posture. This can aggravate the existing back pain. Instead of bending forward, keep your spine straight and perpendicular to the floor and try Simhagarjanasana over here. People with the neck pain should avoid complete neck extension. Don't drop your head completely back like this. This can aggravate the existing neck pain. Keep your neck in neutral position and then practice Simhagarjanasana. If you have any injury in the knee or if you have gone through any knee surgery, then avoid Simhagarjanasana. The deep forward bend and the knee flexion in this asana can be very painful or difficult for people with knee injuries. Instead, try the variation of Simhagarjanasana explained earlier. Pregnant women should avoid Simhagarjanasana. The deep forward bend in this posture can be strenuous for the abdominal muscles. If you have undergone any recent surgery, then avoid this asana. It is recommended to avoid this asana for at least 6 to 8 weeks after any surgery, especially in knee, neck or abdominal areas. Simhagarjanasana is an easy way to let go of stress and anxiety. It is completely safe and I have tried it multiple times. So I highly recommend you to try it so that you can experience its benefits. And don't ignore this video because this video will give you insights about your health. And don't forget to check your health score after watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Namaste, Sat Shri Akal and take care, and I will see you in this video next.